progressives. I sat down, put in $100 bill, bet $2.25, which that does not add up. Anyways, I got a first spin bonus, which is crazy. Let's see how we do here. Wait a minute. So I thought I had to match too. Okay, 12 free games won. That's super odd. You can tell you don't play this. $2.25 bet. Let's be amazing, Walking Dead. Maybe we need volume. Oh, times 6 with nada. All right, I don't think we've grown here. Amazing. Oh, nothing, right? Incredible win. Oh, the $60. I do not have a clue how. Final spin. All right. All right, 288 bet, Dancing Drums Explosion. There goes that upgrade. There's our progressives. I told myself if I got that gold drum, I was picking 3 no matter what. So here we go. This is for all my 3 lovers out there. There we go. We got a re-trigger right off the bat. What did we get? Oh, we got ships. Yay for ships. Ships all the way. Queens. $144 on the first. Yes, please. Thank you. Dancing Drums Explosion. Okay, guys. I can't. I'll have to go up and down for you. I don't want you to mess up there. I can't push the button, so we got to watch it add up today. And now, instead of 3 spins, we've got 6. Let this be amazing. Woo! I love those ships. Here we go. Keep going, keep going. Okay, a little bit of coins. Come on, Dancing Drums. More spins. Oh, the suspense. Come on. Oh, I see a lot of ships. A holy to the mofo moly amount of ships, guys. Yes! Oh my goodness, we still have 3 spins to go. And the ships are real. You guys know I love my ships. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. 288 bet. 400. That is insane. Oh my goodness, it took off without me ready. Okay, 2 spins to go. Yo, yes, a re-trigger and all kinds of wilds in the middle. More ships. I don't think like a shipload of ships. But we now have 9 spins. Oh my goodness. We actually had some food. We had a big line of food dogs in there. Okay, we had a $132 line of food dogs. This bonus just got massive. Oh my gosh, we have 4 spins and we are over an $800 bonus. My favorite coin show. Okay, ah! Oh my gosh, it's so big. I'm looking, what the heck did we hit here? Ingots, flower pots. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Not this hit is not huge, but this bonus is crazy. We still have 3 spins. Go ships, it's your birthday. Okay, $48 in ships. Okay, can we hit 1,000? I mean, I'm happy no matter what. I'm happy no matter what. Oh my goodness. Okay, last spin. Our pot closed. Our pot closed. And because that mini is huge, it's gonna push us over 1,000, even if we get the mini. Okay, there's our progressives. We're gonna do the swiperoo. This is awesome. Are we ready for this? This is a holy to the mofo moly, baby. 288 bet, 1,019 bonus. All right. To everybody that says pick 3, there it is. I did it and it worked out. 1,019.30 on 288. Oh my holy drums, baby. All right, after that big bonus, my cash out point was 1,000. Just landed the regular drum bonus. What do we want to do here? Let's do 3 again. Jeez Louise, let's do 3 again. Let's see how we do here. Queens and ships, but it's not nearly as excited as it was. We have 1 spin to go. Oh, that did not do it, but 48.60 puts us back at 1,065. Definitely cashing out at 1,000. All right, I upped my bet to 588. Cash out point was still 1,000. Landed the gold drum. Now this is serious. 588 bet. Kelly and Sean, part of my Loyal Royals, just knocked it out of the park in Oklahoma on 588. 3 games. You guys, no matter how this turns out, this is for you. I hope I don't regret this. Oh my goodness, we need a re-trigger or something here next to make me... Oh, wait, we had a lot of ingots, right? Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. We've got ships, lots of kings, a lot of ingots, not bad. Grand total, Yes, 282.30. So the 288 bet clearly kicked the 588 butt, but was cashing out at 1,000. Now up to 1294.33. Dancing Drums Explosion. All right, I decided my cash out was 1,100. Landed that gold drum. Do we do it? And I reduced my bet. Do we do it one more time? Sure we do. Sure we do. Oh boy. Come on. Oh, ingots all the way across. Okay, we have a coin show. Ingots all the way across. A lot of flower pots. And some ships. Okay, we didn't do too bad. Cashing out at 1,100. I had like 2 spins left. Okay, all right. Let's re-trigger. Nope, I'll spin. No, that's okay. 121.80. So nowhere near that first bonus. But new ticket, 1228. We're gonna go down at least to 1,100. All right, you guys have seen the battles, the wins, and people always ask me, Slot Queen, when did you cash out? So we have 1130 left in the machine. I am definitely gonna cash out with 1,100. So we're gonna do these last couple spins together. Oh my goodness, okay, all right. Come on. This has been an unbelievable run on Dancing Drums Explosion. And I definitely can't sit here and let it have it all back. I think the best, maybe the best I've ever done on 288, but my hand pay might have been on 288. I have to look that up. Okay, we're down to our last couple spins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, hit that like button, and we're gonna do our last spin, 88 cents. Nope, we have another one. Hold that, we've got one more. There it is, cashing out $1,100 on Dancing Drums Explosion, and you got to see the wild ride.